Hello, I am shy at the moment. I feel shyness, but I will talk. I need to talk because of uh, I want to say those includes of 7 year of black magic about myself when myself is on the midst of my boyfriend, husband, lover, high school year proposed to myself, of which is myself is talkative. That is why I need to say it. So I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnay as on the first. What will I say is about Louis Vuitton. So the Louis Vuitton, it starts during on 7 year of Black Magic. 7 year of Black Magic starts year 2017. It starts year 2017. So about Louis Vuitton is year 2019. It is during year 2019 when myself is being tells to uh, write about what I like of such as luxury brand. Then what I write in there is Louis Vuitton. My younger sister, I cite Louis Vuitton first encounter is when uh, my younger sister is doing browses on Louis Vuitton. That is my first encounter to cite Louis Vuitton. Year 2019 it is. I just know Louis Vuitton year 2019 when it comes onto online look of it, of such as selling of product. That is my first encounter. Here in Philippines, when it comes onto Louis Vuitton, my thinking process is Baclaran, Tiangge. And then when it is about Baclaran, Tiangge, it is not uh, original. Of that is what I knows only when it comes onto Louis Vuitton here in Philippines. So during year 2019, I write the Louis Vuitton as what I want to have on Alex and Jementisa Jr. ko because of Alex Jr. ko tells me to write of what I like. During that moment, I tend to browse on Louis Vuitton because of it is being browses as well of my younger sister. So it is such as myself is on learning of how to site of how of to look on luxury brand. The luxury word it starts year 2018. It helps me of Justine Magdadaro. Oh, what the, how can I? It is good that they is putting me on such as the jail, ay na onto, wait lang. At the moment from suffocation, myself is being released. And then the interferes is the portion in the, about Inday. So what it is about, I am saying it. I not use black magic. Hmm? I not use black magic. So that is year 2019 when I am writing of those I like of such as luxury brand name. And then when it is during my response to Alex Jr. ko during year 2019 when I browse on Louis Vuitton, I have no yet likes on Louis Vuitton product because of when I cite it, that is new to myself. New meaning to say first encounter to sight. Then when it is during year 2023, it is being destroyed of the backer of Kabit Bobo camouflage on the situation of putting me on being gold digger even though I am not gold digger. Meaning to say that person, yeah, that person tends to ruin my mood, my feeling when it comes onto first encounter luxury brand of such that on the use of black magic. The short height of what I am saying on my camera video, the criminal. That person tends to ruin, to destroy of myself liking to have luxury brand name. So meaning to say, those person Bobo camouflage is those person that does not want me to be on a happy lifestyle because of the is crab mentality. They not as well wants me to work because when a person works, it is logically that could be both of what is likes. So those Bobo camouflage does not want me to work because of they is killing me. They is bad person on this doing. So that is the portion of the Louis Vuitton on 7 year of black magic. And then wait, I will say about it of what I written what I write on my notebook about Louis Vuitton I starts. Wait, why wait? Because the Bobo camouflage is tends to destroy it. The person as well that the person the Bobo camouflage short height opposite sex yeah, opposite gender of girl gender. Uh, that person myself is being put on uh, fast mode to talking so that I could not talk other about it of how they kills me, of how they puts me on bullying based on what is being based on what the other person could already have other than rather than myself that they is putting on deadness, they is killing me. The killing portion is putting me on such as not 20th century vibes, even though the people living on earth is already on a situation of lifestyle of happiness that enjoys of what is being sight. So that is what is being killed of the person in here on myself. The Bobo camouflage here Philippine is so criminal, pervert. The Kabit number 6 is talking on my right ear at the moment. And then at the moment my reproductive organ is being uh, bully destroy at the moment. I will just pee. It is 8 minutes and it is 9 minutes. The Bobo camouflage that the person that will be slash the head. Wait.